Today we're going to have a look at our Topcon LN-150 Lite Kit. So first off here, we've got our heavy duty Topcon LN-150 case, and then inside we have our Topcon LN-150. We've also got a 5-hour battery. We've got 2 of those in the kit, and then a dual bay charger which can charge both batteries simultaneously. You've got owner information and registration in there as well. Now the Topcon LN-150 is 1-button operation and self-levels as well, just like your rotating lasers. Next, driving our Topcon LN-150 is our Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 3. This is the cell version, so we have a SIM card in it as well, which allows us to provide support. And we've got our controller cradle, which attaches to our prism pole. For our prism pole here, we also have our base model 360 prism, which attaches to the top, which will sit just up there. We also have our heavy duty aluminium tripod. And last but not least, we have our user handover guide, which comes in the kit, and a handover video, which we've filmed, which will do step-by-step everything that you can do with magnet construct on your Galaxy tablet and getting the LN-150 up and running on site. The Topcon LN-150 Lite Kit comes with a standard 12-month warranty, also a 12-month magnet construct license which goes onto your Samsung tablet, annual support with our award-winning Takara service, which is provided by our national support team, and a 2-hour handover training at your nearest Position Partners office with one of our customer success managers here at Position Partners.